So we've been asked recently a few times, why would a customer go with a team of people, developers working on the project or a company versus hiring a freelancer to develop a mobile app, as an example. And we've been thinking about that. Just wanted to share a couple of thoughts. So first, if you look at the end-to-end process of developing a mobile app, it involves a number of things. It's just the coding, just literally coding the app, it's about, say, 60% of the process. The other components, creating the UI, user interface of the application, the workflow, the look and feel, the web server component, the promotion of the app in the App Store on the Android market, the search engine optimization of this whole thing, to put it all together, to test it. By the way, do you know that there is a variety of Android devices that we many times end up testing the app? So when you look at this variety of tasks, it turns out that working with a team is much more efficient than working with just one individual. Why? Because many people possess different skills. People kind of are proficient with certain technologies. And so what we end up doing, we have certain people who know how to develop certain things better. For example, we got certain team members who develop social-based apps. Other developers who are really excellent with the location-based applications. Others who are extremely good with the shopping cart or integrating with some other APIs. So when we look at the application itself, sometimes it looks like, hey, I got this quote from a freelancer or an individual who says, hey, I can develop this app in 2 weeks. If you roll it forward, if you look ahead, what's going to happen after these 2, 3, 4 weeks, it turns out that there's a whole bunch of things that still needs to be done. And so what we normally end up doing, we give you the real estimate of what it's really going to take. And given the fact that we're going to allocate and assign really senior, really good developers to the project, at the end of the day, the cost of developing the app, getting it approved in the App Store, in the Android market, or anywhere else, it's going to be way, way lower than hiring the individual.